Hey, this is Chris with Affiliate Tube, and today we're going to be looking at spinrewriter. This is a tool I've been using for years, actually since 2013, to make a lot of the content that I use for my videos, for some of my blog sites, for mass page sites. Now, if it's a money site, if it's something that's going to have a lot of authority, I won't use this tool for it. I make more of a unique, really good content for that. But for other things, spinrewriter works really well, and I want to take you through and show you some of the stuff you can do with it. Now, it does have a lot of features that I really don't use. I don't need them, but you might. And also, one thing that makes it so powerful is the integrations it has through its API and some of the integrated services that it has with it that you can use as well. So what I want to do first, when you log in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your main control panel where you can start to rewrite your articles. And there's different types of membership levels you can have that gives you different features, different options to add more services to what you have with the initial purchase of the product. So what I'm going to do is come up here to my account. And you can see here, thank you for being a lifetime spinrewriter member. Let's go to rewrite. And this is where you're going to rewrite your articles, and you can rewrite single articles, you can rewrite multiple articles. If you click this button, it gives you the option to do bulk rewrite. You can enter your articles into multiple text fields. You can come down here, enter one article, and just continue to keep doing that, and it'll rewrite each one of those. Or you can upload multiple articles in separate text files, or you can upload a zip file of them. So if you have hundreds or thousands of files, you can upload them and rewrite them. Now, it also has a built-in service where you can get a new article. If you click fetch a new article, you're going to see it uses big content search, and all you have to do is type in a keyword and it's going to go to big content search. It's going to pull in an article and use that. So that is if you want to do the multiple articles. Now, for a single article, this is normally what I do. And the only thing that I normally do when I create an article is I will go out and get content, and lots of times I'll get it from Easing Articles. So for example, if I want to do a project on joint pain or joint health, go to Easing Articles and I would copy a couple paragraphs here, a couple paragraphs there, take it from multiple articles or sources. I may be able to go to Google, just do some searches for some articles based on joint health or joint pain, pick out some of the paragraphs, take it, paste it into here. Lots of times what I've been doing lately is to try to find more unique content, and I'll do that by going to expireddomains.net, and I will search for something, a domain related to what I want to do my next project on. So if it's joint health, I'll do a search for joint, and hopefully it'll bring back the right type of joint here, and you can see it. Here's one for joint pain symptoms. And so I copied this and I went to the Wayback Machine, pasted it, and I went back to 2011, and this was some content that pulled up for it, which is great. And you can double check just to make sure it's no longer in Google. So unless it's been reposted, it's not going to be in Google no more. It's going to be 100% unique content, which means, for one, you really don't even have to use spinrewriter if you don't want to, because Google sees it as not even being there anymore. But what I'll do is I will go here and I will copy some text and I will paste it in this box and go here, and we could find another paragraph or two or how much ever content you want to use, and then I could go here and find more. And I've made some of my articles 2,000 to 3,000 words, and it'll spin it. It might take a couple minutes longer than what it normally would if you do something like this, but it works great. Now, you have the option, it also integrates with perfect tense. So if you have that, it will go in and it will find it and correct all grammar and spelling issues automatically. All you have to do is enter your API key here. Otherwise, you can come down here. Would you like to spin your original text on paragraph and sentence level? So if you want to get really, really detailed with your article, you can click this button and it gives you options here. You can see I want spinrewriter to automatically rewrite complete sentences, entire paragraphs, or to automatically write additional paragraphs on its own, or to automatically change the entire structure of phrases and sentences. So this tool can really do some amazing things if you get in here and use these features. I normally don't use this. What I normally do is I will post in or paste in the content that I want to have rewritten, and I will come down here to settings, and I will add any protected keywords that I don't want changed in the article here, just one per line. I will leave this set here as use suggestions that you believe are correct, and I will click I'm feeling lucky, and it's automatically just going to do everything for me. So paste in the content, add my keywords here, click this button, and I'm done. It's going to go and it's going to rewrite this in the Spintax content, and then I can either use that Spintax content or I can create individual articles from that and use that. Now the other thing you can do is if you want more control over your article, is you can click on start the rewriting process. And when you do this, it's going to go through and it's going to find all the keywords in this article that it has synonyms for. And so it's going to let you go through and make these changes yourself. So all you have to do is if you just copy or highlight one of these words, it's going to bring up and show you a lot of these other terms that can be used for it. So we can go through here and we can click each one we want added, and you can see here it creates the Spintax for it, or we can just do replace all, and it's going to go through and it's going to put all of them in there. Now getting older, you can highlight 2 words, aging, growing older, and you can go through and do that through your entire article. Now if you don't want to do that, if you want to go back and just do the one-click rewrite settings, which is what I was going to do earlier, you would just click this button here, and once again this box is going to pop up. It's going to ask you, what keywords you not want to be changed. You put those in there and you just click start the one-click rewrite process. Normally this doesn't take very long at all, and you can see it's already went through. It's automatically made all these changes for us on its own. Click on continue to final step, and you can see here it says your article has been successfully finalized. It's also been saved to your archive, which is another really great feature of SpinRewriter. So every article that you do is going to be saved into your archive, and you can go back and reuse them or re-edit them. And so here we have the article name for the archive, which you can rename it. Here's all your Spintax article, and then you can come down here and click generate a unique version, and it's going to make one unique for you. You can export it, you can save it, you can check it through Copyscape, you can fix grammar and spelling errors, once again if you have perfect tense. You can preview your article, and also you can integrate to WordPress if you have that option, or if you upgraded to that, you can just post it automatically to your WordPress blogs. Now we can also, as you can see up here, it gives us more options once we go through and do this. And one thing that's really neat here is you can fetch relevant videos and images. So if we do fetch relevant videos, we can do something like joint pain. We can do that, or you can enter a YouTube URL if you have your own video you want to use. So for this example, I just come up here, I would tick the box of the video I want added, insert video, and then same thing with relevant images. Fetch images, and we can do, I don't know, let's just do this one and insert images, and it puts these in here. And of course, once we have this article, we can change stuff around. We can cut it, whoops, and we can repaste it somewhere else if we want to. So if we don't like them being together here, so for the video, what I'm going to do is actually put that at the top of the article. And then we can preview it. You can see down here you got your video, you got some content, an image, and some more of your content. And so really that's all there is to it. The process is really simple. If you're ready to rewrite another article, just to show you how quick it can be, just go to rewrite, get your content wherever you get it from, paste it in your box. I want to delete the easy article link. Go to settings, make sure if there's any keywords protected you add them, and click I'm feeling lucky. It's going to go through, do the entire rewriting process on its own. Once it's done, it's done. You can grab the content, take this article here that's in spin tax, post it into your favorite tool, whatever you're using, or you can create a unique version from here and you're done. That's it. So that's how fast it is to use Spin Rewriter. This is the one tool that we've been using for years with our agency, and we continue to use it, especially for many of our YouTube videos, and we do any kind of promotions with those, or if we do mass page sites, we like to use this kind of content for that as well. So, but overall, Spin Rewriter, in my opinion, is well worth the investment. I'm not sure. I know there's a Spin Rewriter 9.0 that's going to be coming out here soon, I think in October 2018. And I don't know if there's going to be any huge changes made to this tool. There hasn't been any huge changes made over the time that I've been using this. There's been little things added here and there, but it's been pretty much the same tool, the same thing ever since I started using it. But they are always upgrading it. They're always kind of seeing how users use the tool, so it'll work better for you. So I guess those are the kind of the improvements they've been making to it, but they are relaunching it in October. And if this is something that you're going to be using a lot, if you need a lot of content, I do highly recommend it. So you can check it out. The links are under this video, and you can go there and learn more about it. See if maybe they have free trials and stuff. I know once in a while they do offer those. So this has been Chris from Affiliate Tube. I hope you guys enjoyed the Spin Rewriter review.